Welcome to Mastering Architectural Design, your step-by-step guide to creative brilliance. In this video, we will take you on a comprehensive journey through the art and science of architectural design, sharing expert tips and techniques to unlock your creative potentials. Step 1. Understanding the brief. Every great architectural project starts with a clear understanding of the client's needs and project requirements. Gather all relevant information, ask questions, and immerse yourself in the context to ensure your design aligns perfectly with the brief. Step 2. Research and inspiration. Next, it's time to gather information from diverse sources, from nature's wonders to iconic landmarks. Visit museums, explore different cultures, and let your imagination soar as you seek out ideas that will inform your design. Step 3. Conceptualization. With your inspiration in hand, now it's time to start conceptualizing your design. Experiment with different ideas. Explore various forms and materials, and refine your concept until it resonates with your vision. Step 4. Development and refinement. Now comes the nitty-gritty of architectural design. Translating your concept into a detailed, functional plan. Pay close attention to scale, proportion, and functionality as you refine your design through iteration and feedback. Step 5. Presentation and communication. Finally, it's time to present your design to the client and stakeholders. compelling visuals, clear diagrams, and persuasive storytelling to communicate the vision and benefits of your design. Step 6. Feedback and iteration. Listen carefully to feedback and be open to making adjustments to your design. Remember, the design process is iterative, and each round of feedback brings you closer to realizing your creative vision. And there you have it, your comprehensive guide to mastering architectural design. We hope you found this video informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on architecture and design. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.